Our story begins in the Welsh valleys, where Pfizer sought a new drug for angina in the early 1990s. They chose Merthyr Tydfil, a former mining town, for clinical trials. Its men, shaped by generations of hard labor, were ideal candidates for a heart medication study. The drug, UK 92480, later Sildenafil citrate, was supposed to ease chest pain by relaxing blood vessels, but the results were disappointing. The drug barely helped angina. Researchers prepared to move on, writing off the trial as a failure. Then something odd happened. The men didn't want to return their leftover pills. Nurses noticed the men were embarrassed, hinting at unexpected effects. Quiet conversations revealed a consistent, surprising theme. The drug wasn't helping their hearts, but it was having a dramatic effect elsewhere. An unanticipated side effect was emerging, one that would soon change medicine and culture forever. The failed heart drug was about to be reborn. Sometimes the greatest discoveries come from the most unlikely places. The breakthrough came from the candid reports of the Welsh trial participants. Men described experiencing strong, lasting erections, a revelation for many who had struggled with erectile dysfunction. The drug's effect was so profound, the trial pivoted from angina to impotence. Scientists discovered sildenafil worked by relaxing blood vessels in the penis, enabling increased blood flow during arousal. Pfizer quickly realized they had a potential blockbuster for a problem affecting millions. The drug was rebranded as Viagra, a name evoking vigor and power. The Merthyr Tydfil trial became a celebrated chapter in medical history, showing how an ordinary community sparked a global breakthrough. A new conversation about men's health had begun. Viagra was fast-tracked for approval and launched in 1998, igniting a cultural phenomenon. Its marketing campaign promised not just better sex, but restored confidence and vitality. Overnight, Viagra became a household name, breaking sales records and opening up conversations about men's health. Doctors saw a surge in patients seeking help for erectile dysfunction, many for the first time. The drug's effectiveness was undeniable, helping couples reconnect and restoring self-esteem for millions. Viagra's success changed pharmaceutical marketing, medicalizing erectile dysfunction and making it a treatable condition. The little blue pill became a symbol of hope, normalizing discussions about sexual health. It wasn't just a product, it was a catalyst for change. Viagra's impact went beyond medicine. It reshaped how society viewed men's health. A new era had begun. Viagra's cultural impact was immediate and far-reaching. Suddenly, male sexual health was discussed openly on TV, in politics, and in pop culture. Public figures like Bob Dole spoke candidly about erectile dysfunction, breaking taboos and encouraging others to seek help. The pill became a pop culture icon, referenced in shows like Sex and the City, and used as a symbol of vitality and aging. Jokes and storylines helped demystify the drug and the condition it treated. Debates emerged about sexuality, relationships, and the ethics of enhancement, but these conversations signaled progress. Viagra reframed erectile dysfunction as a health issue, not a personal failing. The silence was broken. Men were empowered to talk about their health. From a failed heart drug to a cultural touchstone, Viagra's journey was remarkable. Sometimes a single pill can spark a global conversation. For years, Pfizer's patent kept Viagra expensive and out of reach for many. When the patent expired, generic versions flooded the market, slashing prices and increasing access. Affordable sildenafil meant more men could get safe, effective treatment, reducing the dangerous trade in counterfeit pills. National health systems saved millions and the drug became a routine part of medical care. Viagra's transformation from exclusive brand to accessible generic marked a public health victory. What began as an accidental discovery in Wales became a tool for everyday wellness. The blue pill's legacy is not just cultural but practical, improving lives worldwide. Sometimes the best medicine is the one everyone can afford.